Alright guys, Shiny Gastly appeared. I see it. It's right here. There it is. It's very beautiful. Yes. And it's mine! Oh yeah, it's beautiful. So it took, 91. Alright, let's check it out. 91 Gastlys. Yes, it's timid. Oh, dang it. Speed is, horrible. But, I'm sure there's bottle caps to fix that. Yeah, the nature is the most difficult part to get. Alright. But, yeah. Still a Shiny Gastly. With timid nature. I like to mark that attack defense, special attack, special defense. Add to party. There you go. Check this out. Save it again, man. Perfect. No. Oh yeah. So sick. Alright, thank you all for watching.